This screencast is to demonstrate how to cross-list a course or add one section to another. So cross-listing is useful if you are teaching the same content area various periods of the day. So you can put both a first period and second period course in the same shell. This is also helpful that when we have shells or courses that are created from PowerTeacher with students, this will be helpful in sending those students into a shell with content that you are working in. So this is a really good example. This Honors Anatomy course listed here is the course that has content. It is where all of the units and assessments lie. However, down here, the Anatomy and Honors course this is the shell that has the students that are pulled from PowerTeacher. So what we're going to do is we're going to send the students here from semester 1 into the actual course with content. So you'll begin by clicking on the course that has the students within it. Once you click the course, and you can see this course doesn't have any content, so we're sending those kids into the contented course. So you'll go ahead and click the course, and at the very bottom you'll access settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click settings. From this settings tab, you will then access sections. The course sections are listed here, so we're going to send these 17 users over into the other course. So in order to send those users to the other course, once you're on sections, you're going to click on the blue link, which is the title of the course. Once you click on the course, you will see the name of the course, which you can see it's cut off here on the top, and you will also see current enrollments with student names as well as student UIDs, which is why part of this video is kind of trimmed here. So on this page, when you see those current enrollments, you're going to select cross-list this section. So once I select cross-list this section, it allows for me to search for the course that I want to send these particular students to. So I'm just going to begin with typing honors, and I think that, here we go. So Honors Anatomy, and there's Fall 22. So this is going to be the course where I'm going to send the students. So I'm going to click there, and you can also enter the course ID if that is something that you prefer to do. And then just select cross list this section. At the top of the screen, you'll see something that says this section has successfully been cross-listed. So now we're going to jump into the course with content to verify that the students are there. So I went back to the dashboard, and now I'm going to access the Honors Anatomy course for Fall of 22. And you can verify that the students are there by going to the People portion of the page, but for the purposes of this video, I'm actually just going to go to Settings. From the Settings tab, I'm going to click on Sections, and now I can see that these users are here and that they are available within this course. This also allows for you to connect with PowerTeacher Pro. So please feel free to reach out anytime if you need assistance with cross-listing a course.